Hey friends, how are you? I hope you are good and doing well. Today's our topic is very important. So I decided to teach you firstly because everyone has a daily routine. So let me introduce my routine. Not my routine, it's just a example for you. Now you can replace your daily routine, like and make that. So let's start without wasting a time. Come to the point. So topic is my daily routine. Every day I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed for the day. After that, I have a simple breakfast like cereal and toast. Then I go to work or school. I spend my day doing different tasks and learning new things. In the afternoon, I have lunch and take a short break. Afterward, I come home and sometime I like to relax by reading a book or watching TV. For dinner, I usually have a home cooked meal finally. Before bedtime, I take a quick shower and get ready to sleep. This is my daily routine and it's helped me stay organized and ready for each new day. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, do subscribe, keep sharing.